In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Workspace email with Shopify-Registered domain in 5 minutes. First, open the Google Admin console and sign in with an administrator account. If you're not a super admin, you might not see everything we'll use today, so make sure you have the right permissions. Once you're in, head to the account section. This is where Google keeps organization-wide settings, including your domains. Inside account, click on domains. This page lists every domain connected to your Google Workspace. Next, choose Manage Domains to open the full domain manager. Here you'll see whether your domain is already added and whether it's verified. Verification tells Google you own the domain so it can start handling email for it. Take a moment to confirm the domain you plan to use for email shows up and check its verification status. If it says verified, great, you're almost done. If it's unverified or missing, don't worry. We'll add and verify it now using your Shopify registered domain. Now switch over to your Shopify admin, go to settings, then domains, and copy your exact domain name as it appears there. Be sure you copy the root domain you intend to use for email, not a temporary or test domain. Return to the Google admin console and choose the option to add a domain. Paste the domain you copied from Shopify. Google will guide you through a quick verification flow. Typically, you'll be given a TXT record to add to your DNS. Keep the Google tab open. Back in Shopify, open the DNS settings for that domain. Add the TXT record exactly as Google provides it. Name, host, and value must match. Save your changes in Shopify, then return to Google Admin and click Verify. Verification can be near instant, but if it doesn't complete right away, give it a few minutes and try again. DNS updates can sometimes take a bit to propagate. Once Google marks your domain as verified in Manage Domains, your workspace is connected to your Shopify registered domain. From here, you can create user mailboxes in Google Workspace, and when prompted by Google's setup guides, point your domain's MX records to Google to start receiving mail. If you've previously used another email service, allow time for DNS to update before testing. Quick tips before we wrap up. Keep both the Google Admin and Shopify tabs open during setup. Double check for typos and DNS entries, and only make DNS changes you recognize. That's it. Your Google Workspace email is now set up with your Shopify domain.